Guys, if you like this type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and enjoy. Downtown San Diego. Downtown San Diego is the city center of San Diego, California, the 8th largest city in the United States. In 2010, the Center City area had a population of more than 28,000. Downtown San Diego serves as the cultural and financial center and central business district of San Diego, with more than 4,000 businesses and 9 districts. The downtown area is the home of the San Diego Symphony and the San Diego Opera, as well as multiple theaters and several museums. The San Diego Convention Center and Petco Park, home of the San Diego Padres, are also located downtown. Downtown San Diego houses the major local headquarters of the city, county, state, and federal governments. This video was recorded on 1st Street in downtown San Diego, California. History. The downtown of San Diego was previously inhabited by the Kumeyaay, who referred to the area as Tazur, and also established a village called Pushuyi near what is now Seaport Village. The city of San Diego was originally focused on Old Town near the Presidio, several miles north of current downtown. The location was not ideal because it was several miles from navigable water. In 1849, Lieutenant Andrew B. Gray, a surveyor working with the Boundary Commission to establish the boundaries of the new state of California, suggested that an area closer to San Diego Bay would be a better location for a city because it would be better for trade. He proposed the idea to William Heath Davis, who recruited 4 other investors. The partners under Davis's leadership purchased 160 acres, 65 hectares, of land in what is now downtown San Diego. They laid out a street plan for New Town and built a wharf and warehouse. Several people built houses there, including the still-standing William Heath Davis House, now a museum. John Judson Ames wrote a prospectus for a newspaper, the San Diego Herald, in December 1850, soliciting advertisements and subscriptions from the townspeople. The first issue was published on May 29, 1851. However, New Town did not do well due to a lack of fresh water, a financial depression in 1851, and opposition from the established settlements in Old Town and La Playa. In 1852, a San Diego grand jury called for the removal of several Kumeyaay villages close to any white settlement, and the village of Tazur was razed to the ground. The Santa Fe Depot, built in 1915. In 1867, Alonzo Horton purchased 800 acres, 320 hectares, of Pueblo lands in the current downtown area, and in 1869 he added Davis's 160 acres, 65 hectares, to his holdings. The area was referred to as the Horton Addition. Davis's wharf had fallen to pieces by then, but Horton realized the area was still ideal for a harbor. He built a new wharf at the end of 5th Avenue in 1869. He vigorously sold property and gave away land to promote development of the area, fueling the first of San Diego's many real estate speculation booms. People flocked to the area, known as New Town, because of its better access to shipping. In 1871, government records were moved to a new county courthouse in New Town. By the 1880s, New Town had totally eclipsed Old Town, as it is called to this day, as the heart of the growing city. A Class 1 streetcar at 5th and Broadway in downtown San Diego, circa 1915. In 1885, the Transcontinental Railroad reached San Diego. The Santa Fe Railway Station opened downtown in 1887. That station was replaced in 1915 by the downtown landmark Santa Fe Depot, which is still in use. In 1886, the city's first electric lights and first streetcars were established in New Town. In 1912, the Spreckels Theater opened downtown, the first modern commercial playhouse west of the Mississippi. A new commercial pier, the Broadway Pier, was built by the city in 1913. In the 1910s, downtown became one of the many San Diego neighborhoods connected by the Class 1 streetcars and an extensive San Diego public transit system that was spurred by the Panama, California Exposition of 1915 and built by John D. Spreckels. These streetcars became a fixture of the neighborhood until their retirement in 1939. In 1964, the multi-story City Hall and Community Concourse were dedicated on a 4-block square property at 202 C Street. Recent mayors and city councils have discussed building a replacement City Hall, but no replacement plan has been approved. Petco Park. In the 1960s, Center City began to fall into a state of disrepair and disrepute. Major businesses and stores moved from downtown to suburban shopping malls. The downtown area became known as a hangout for homeless people and sailors on liberty. Tattoo parlors, bars, and strip clubs were predominant forms of business. Trash littered the Gaslamp Quarter. Many 19th century Victorian houses were run down, and there were few buildings of significant size. The tallest building at the time was 14 stories, the locally famous El Cortez. Despite this, low and mid-rise buildings were beginning construction. In 1975, redevelopment plans were created for downtown. In 1985, the area underwent more redevelopment with the completion of Horton Plaza, the Gaslamp Quarter revival, and the completion of the San Diego Convention Center. Petco Park, a baseball ballpark used by the San Diego Padres, opened in 2004. Geography. Located in central San Diego, downtown San Diego is delimited by San Diego Bay to the west and southwest, Bankers Hill, Middletown, and Balboa Park to the north, Sherman Heights and Golden Hill to the east, and Barrio Logan and Logan Heights to the southeast. San Diego International Airport is just northwest. I would like to thank you for watching my videos. Continue with the beautiful images of this place. Subscribe to my channel. Click like to let me know you like the video. Comment where else you would like me to make more videos, and share with the people you would like to bring here.